guys, welcome to Printride. I'm your host Ranveer, and today we are with a new video about multicolor print. So today we are going to do a 3-color print, a quick job, and not that detailed, because if you don't know matching and all this thing, we have couple of videos. I will give the link in our description box. So we have all the things here: our spray tag, t-shirts, a waistcloth, and etc. etc. So first of all, I'll keep all this thing aside. Now the screens are ready here. If you don't know how to match multicolors, then go to our previous video. I will give the link in the description box, or you can click the I button. It is there also. You can go check there. So it is a quick video. So first of all, we take a spray tag. That is our spray adhesive, you can tell. We open the spray tag, shake it down nicely, spray it. So spraying is done. So this spray will go for more than 25 prints, 25 t-shirts, means you can load, unload more than 25 t-shirts. After that, you have to do respray. And if you like going for a 4x4 or 6x6 station, you have a 6-color machine, then you can spray all the 6 and go more than 150 prints. So the spray tag is done. Now we'll put the test cloth. We have couple of test cloths in our office or in our studio. It's pretty necessary actually to buy some waistcloth, because while you are doing testing, no need to waste a full t-shirt, right? If you're wasting a full t-shirt, then it's a loss. But wasting couple of waistcloth is not a loss. So I put this cloth here. This is done. Now we'll go for a print. So first of all, we'll do the first print. This is a beautiful red color. We'll take the squeegee. You can flood the screen and squeeze it up. Whatever you like. You might like pushing or pulling. I like pulling. So I have done my 2-stroke pull. So see, the first print is done. So we'll go for the second print. Before that, we'll put a heat gun. Once heat gun is done, we'll go for the second print. Because this is a 4-color one machine, so putting a flasher you can't do in the 4-color one. So you should have at least 4-color 4 station for like where you can put flasher. So here we used to use heat gun. So second color, it's a beautiful fluorescent green. If you don't know fluorescent colors, we are going to make new videos on that. Fluorescent colors are more brighter colors. It is more brighter than regular plastisol ink or regular water-based ink. So we'll flood it again. It's a very big print actually. It's an A3 plus print. So we'll go for a second stroke. The fluorescent is very smooth. We'll go for a second stroke and done. So see, the color is so bright and vibrant. So the second test is very good. Now we'll put the heat gun. Now after putting the heat gun, we'll go for third color. The third color is true blue. It's very bright and vibrant color. I personally like this color. Actually, this is very good color. So we'll go for the true blue color and we'll flood it. After flooding, I will go for 2 strokes. So the last color is print. So it's a vibrant blue color. So you can check out here, the print is very good. The test print is very good and it's a very big print. So it is good. Now we'll go for the main t-shirt printing. So now I'll put the gloves. Actually I don't put last time because we are doing it for a long time. But when you are new and you are new to the chemicals, new to the printing industries, and whatever better you put a gloves, that will save your hand. But while we are printing, there's no mark in hand. But when you do in the first time, or somebody is doing in the first time, they will have lots of marks in their hands. And if you are going for a larger production, it's always advisable to have a loader who will load your t-shirt and who will unload your t-shirt. He can only load, or she can only load, and she can only unload. And one person for printing only. So as a new start, you can do by yourself, but while you do, remember, check your hands after every print, because a single bad mark will destroy your t-shirt, and after destroying a t-shirt, you can't do anything. So now we are going for black color t-shirt. So black color t-shirt, we need to do 2+2 stroke. First of all, loading, put it here and put it nicely so it will go dead end and it won't stuck to anywhere. Once you put inside, hold it, pull your neck in the marking neck level. If you don't know what is marking, check our previous videos how to do marking. Now flatten your t-shirt nicely. I will start with the red color print. So we'll flood the screen first. Print it nicely. We need to go for 2+2 strokes, because or you have a good color like one stroke white or something good color, one stroke is enough. But for more vibrancy, 2+2 is recommended. We'll go to second print. Again we'll flood it for 2+2 stroke. So we are done. So for the second stroke, see the last print you have seen for the little bit in wider angle. So we'll put it in a zoom so you can see how vibrant is the color, how the color brightness is coming, and how cool is it. So we'll make it a little bit zoom. In next print, we'll go to fluorescent. We will just flood it and we'll go for the first 2 stroke. In the first 2 stroke, you can see the color is almost came, but for more brightness, we'll go for more strokes. See, we'll go for second stroke. And when you're buying machine, guys, always remember that while you're doing strokes, the machine should not shake here, here, there. See, the second stroke is done. We need to do it fast. The production should be always fast. Now we'll go for the third stroke. We'll flood it up nicely. And while you're printing, always remember, you should clear the screen. Once the screen is clear, means your print is perfect. So the last print, you can see blue color. So we'll pull the second stroke. We'll flood the screen. We'll flood the screen nicely. After flooding the screen, we'll go for the second stroke. So 2 plus 2 is done. See how vibrant is the color? So see how vibrant are the colors. The fluorescent green is actually very shiny. You might not able to know in camera, but actually it's very shiny here. And the other color is also very good. And while you're doing, see how comfortably I was doing, like print 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2. That comfortably a machine should deliver. So always like go for a machine which have good robust nature, and you can do tension headache free printing. And we are always there. Printride makes wonderful machines and cost effective, strong. One main thing is quality, not quantity. So we have quality machines. They're there. You can do all your work very efficiently. You can visit our website, and we'll open the t-shirt now. Pull it here. See guys, the t-shirt is done and it's ready to wear in any occasion. So guys, the print is done and your host Ranveer is signing off. Do like our video, subscribe our channel and share it if you feel that this content is helpful for others. So guys, as I always say, stay safe, stay healthy, stay tuned, see you soon.